Good morning everyone. I am so excited. The day has finally arrived. I'm getting my hair done. I'm gonna go to my friend Jimmy at the Rossanno Ferretti salon at the Ritz Carlton. The reason it's taken me so long to get an appointment is because he's just really busy. And the other thing is they just ran out of dye, which is a bit odd, but they just did. And so they finally called me and they said that they are now ready to receive me. So I'm going to get my hair done, and then after that I'm gonna quickly stop at Good Earth because I'm giving a talk at Good Earth this Saturday about beauty on the go and stuff like that, and I need to pick out my outfit, and I'm going to take you along with me today. So let's get started. So this is my t-shirt, which is from H&M. I've pretty much been living in it at the moment, and then I've got my black Alice and Olivia pants, and then my Gucci loafers, and that's pretty much it. And just a really quick primer on what we're gonna do. As you can see, my hair is just all different colors because of the number of times that I've dyed it and bleached it and just put so many different colors in it. And now it's just, you know, some of it's almost orange, some of it's brown, some of it's a little bit sort of like a darker blonde, and so we're just gonna equalize everything, and we'll see how it goes. So I just got done getting my hair done at Rossanno Ferretti, and I am really happy with how it looks. It's just so nice to have even toned hair again, and it was really nice to see Jimmy as always. He's just a really sweet guy. Every time I have my hair done at Rossanno Ferretti, I come to the bathroom and I just kind of, because the light's really good here, and I always just take a minute to just check out my hair and see how I feel about it, and usually it's quite positive. I feel like this is really one of the best places to get your hair done in Bangalore. I've been to pretty much every other salon there is over the years, and once I found this one, I've just been coming to them really consistently, and I'm always really happy with it. I'm gonna head to Good Earth to pick out my outfit for a talk that I'm giving this Saturday, which I'm really quite excited about. And yeah, so let's head to Good Earth. So I ended up finding the perfect outfit at Good Earth. I usually go for things that are really like sort of white and cream when it comes to Indian clothes, but I ended up picking something that's emerald green. It's really, really lovely, and I'm excited to wear it, and I'm excited to do the talk. And now I'm having lunch at this place called Fresh Pressery, which is a really lovely cafe right outside Good Earth. I'm gonna get the quinoa bowl. If you live in Bangalore and you haven't tried them, you definitely should check them out. They're really, really good. So yeah, I'm gonna get some lunch really quickly, and then I'm gonna head back. That was one of the most delicious quinoa bowls I've ever had before, honestly. It was just so good. I think I finished it off in about like 5 minutes flat. And I thought I was eating lunch, but actually it's about 4:30. And I have to head back, so I'm gonna sign off now. But thank you so much for coming along with me today. I hope you had a good time, and I will see you soon. Bye.